Sekuqubuke umlilo oshaya izihanghangu oshamalangabi endaweni yalapha eKapa eCape Town le eWestern Cape khona la eNingizimu Afrika. Umlilo oqale ngosuku lwangesonto ngomhla ka-18 April 2021. Umlilo usudestroyile ke izinto eziningi, kodwa ke ngizoyifunda ke article ebhaliwe ngawo ke lo mlilo i-report nje esuka khona lapha eCape Town ukuthi kwenzakalani nangokuthi umlilo usuke kanjani ukuthi uqubuka kanjani. Kusayimina ke umfowakeshe ngizozama ukuthi ngichaze yonke indaba yayo lo mlilo. A wildfire is raging out of control on the slopes of Table Mountain above the city of Cape Town, South African authorities say. The blaze has destroyed part of a cave at the Rhodes Memorial overlooking the city's port. Hundreds of students have been evacuated from nearby University of Cape Town campus. The fire is moving towards the campus, the Western Cape government said. 3 helicopters are water-bombing the flames. Firefighters were first alerted at 8:45 local time. Local Environment Chief Anthony Bredel said the situation was serious and the wind was picking up, which he said was a cause for concern. Residents in the area have been warned of smoke and soot in the air and told to keep Wind Mountain National Park have been told to leave, and drivers who have parked in the area have been told to collect their vehicles. People who were in the area and city residents have been uploading footage of the blaze. It's all over on social media, it's all over on Twitter, it's all over on Facebook. I wish there was something we could also do, but then since we are way too far, all we could say is that we have them in our prayers. We wish that they may stop the fire by now, and then everyone may be safe. As everyone.